Lesson 27.
Freundin.
Okay, so in the last lesson, lesson 26, we studied the word that means a male friend. Now we've got a different word for female friend. But this word sounds kind of like it's plural, right? I mean, it's not plural. Freundin is singular. But when I see that in kind of sound at the end, it makes me want to think it's plural, you know?
Yes, I can see how that is confusing. The IN at the end, Germans do that quite a lot for nouns that pertain to a person, like, for example, for professions. You would have a male noun, and then you can add the IN at the end to make it feminine. So this is a pattern that is worth remembering, because you will see it again and again.
So you're saying the IN ending is like a feminine ending for certain things?
Mostly you really have it for professions. That's the best example, I think. Like anything like Lehrer, Lehrerin, Physiker, Physikerin, Biologe, Biologin.
Is there such a thing as professor and then professorin?
Yeah, Professor, Professorin. That's a nice one.
So the professorin, that would be a female professor.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, that's a good pattern to know about. Thanks for pointing that out. Now, this plural form of Freundin, to me, it's even more confusing because we've got IN, and now we're going to add another N, and then EN again. So we have, Freundinnen.
Yeah. Yes, we do have a lot of N's here.
Just keep on adding more ENs over and over. Freundinnen. So we have a little chart here that we made. It's just a simple chart. It shows these four different forms, the male friend and the plural form of the male friend, female friend, and then the plural form of the female friend. Lisa, it seems like German has something in common with other languages. Like in Spanish, if you have a group of friends, if there's some men and some women, you would call it by the masculine plural form. You'd say they're amigos. Amigo is a male friend. Amiga is a female friend. But if you have a group of them and it's mixed, you call them amigos. It looks like in German you do the same thing. You call a group of mixed gender people, you call it by the masculine, right?
We do, yes. So it does not matter how many male friends or female friends are in the group. It could be 10 female friends and 1 male friend, and it would still be Freunde.
Right. So I know Spanish behaves that way, and I think French does also. But for those of you who are studying other languages, that's kind of a common thing you see across several languages.